Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today we have a Jaguar 2018. I'm gonna make a copy key, but it's the same as all keys lost. I removed the KVM. I'll show at the end of the video how to remove the KVM and where it's located, and I will use the ACDP for doing this job. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna use a tablet. So we have to go to the Land Rover JLR right here. Okay, then go on the first option. Okay, and then let's go to the add key. If you press help, it will show you step by step how to connect the adapter. Have all the pictures here. Perfect. Okay, here is the KVM. You need to use these screws. Just put those screws in this hole and let's connect the adapter. Okay. And then you have to use the lock pin on this side. Perfect. And now make sure all the pins they are making good touch on the board. Everything looks okay. Okay, and let's go on add key. Okay, perfect. Now I'll detect the pins. Let's see if we have a good connection. Okay, so we have a poor connection on the EXT. Let's check that. Okay, let's press again recheck. Perfect. Everything is okay. Okay, let's press continue. It's the tech that is encrypted. Yeah, perfect. Okay, continue. And now it's decrypting the chip. It'll take a few minutes to read the data. Okay, it's reading the P flash now. All done. Let's press OK. Just make sure you make a screenshot for this, just to have it, just to know exactly the location where it is. That's the original EEPROM and the original P flash. Let's press OK. Let's save this one too. Okay, perfect. As you see, the car has two keys, key number 1 and key number 2. Let's press continue. Okay, let's put the key into the adapter. Okay, that's the new key. You read already the key ID. Let's select the position. So the free position, it starts from number 3. We select the number 3 one, continue. Okay. Now it's gonna read back the data. It's gonna write back the data, sorry. Again, it's checking all the pins, all the connections on the board, so there is no any risk to break the KVM. Let's press continue. Okay, this is we know. Here are all the keys, so original keys plus our key, the number 3. Perfect, is decrypting the chip now, again. Okay, it's all done now. It says that everything is ready, adding the key complete. Please install the KVM module to the car and confirm that the new key can be used normally. In my case here, I'll need to make 2 keys for this. So one is ready, I'm gonna leave it away. I need to program the next one. And if you want to program the next one, you have to go out from the app and start it again. Just reconnect everything. Otherwise, if you go straight away, it's not gonna work. I don't know why. There are some errors into this app. And let's start the ACDP again. Okay, USB, yes, agree. Let's found the device. Perfect. So let's go on the JLR again. First option, ICP add key, all keys lost 2015 upwards, and then same thing, add key auto mode, connect the adapter. By the way, the new ACDP is coming with a 14 volt adapter, which is much more stable. Okay, it's ACDP, it's user friendly, so you just need to follow the steps and press continue, and that's it, nothing more. You don't need to remove any parts from the KVM. Okay, again, let's make the check the connection. Everything looks okay. I'll do the same thing again. I'll pause the video until the next step. Perfect. Again, information has been read. Save it again. Okay. And as you see, we have already 3 keys because we add before 1 key. Let's press continue. Let's put the key into the adapter. Perfect. Okay. All good. And we're gonna select the 4 position where it's free. It will now lock the key. Oh, error. Let's try one more time. Okay, so I take out the board and I put it here. Let's see if that's gonna work now. I had an error, I don't know, maybe it's from the key, or I don't know. Let's see if it's now gonna work. Let's put it on the key position 4. Okay, now it's okay. It's gonna write back the information with all the keys, and then I will install back the KVM. I will show you exactly the location, and we will test the keys. All connection looks okay. Make sure you have 4 keys here. Yep, perfect. Continue. Perfect. It started writing back the information. Let it do the job, and I will put back the KVM then, and we will check if the keys are working. Perfect. Everything is all done. Let's put back the KVM. Perfect. Let's install it back on the car. Okay guys, so I fit back the KVM, and is located on the right side, just right here. If you can see, it's this one. has 2 screws, 10 wrench tool. Just remove it and then you can start the process. Okay, let's check the keys. Perfect. This is the original one, it's working. Let's go inside the car. And let's check the keys one by one. Perfect. That's one of the key. That's the second key. And the original one. Perfect, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.